Have you ever finished a live webinar, made your big pitch, and then waited for the sales to roll in, only to be disappointed? If you're like most coaches or course creators, this scenario probably sounds all too familiar. You put in the work, drive traffic, deliver your content, and pitch your main offer. But after the event, a large part of your audience simply doesn't buy, and you're left wondering what went wrong. This is a common experience in the online education space, and it's costing you far more than you realize. Let's explore why this happens and how you can turn things around. Most traditional webinar funnels are built around a single offer. You drive people to sign up, host your live event, and pitch your main course or coaching program. Whatever you sell during the webinar is basically your ceiling. The rest of your leads, they're gone. Those who wanted something less expensive have nowhere to go. Those who might have invested more, also left out. This single offer approach is the biggest mistake I see in the industry. Treating your webinar as a one-shot event limits your earning potential and leaves thousands of dollars on the table. What if you could transform your webinar from a single event into a complete revenue system? The good news is you can. By rethinking your approach, you're not just relying on one conversion moment. Instead, you're building a series of micro-commitments and offers that engage buyers at every price point. This means you're activating everyone, from the curious $27 buyer to the serious $5,000+ client. The shift starts before your webinar even begins, and it changes everything about how you monetize your audience. Transformation begins as soon as someone opts in for your live training. Instead of waiting until the webinar to make your first offer, you immediately present a low-ticket product, often called an accelerated success bundle. Priced between $27 and $99, this offer does two powerful things. It helps you recoup some of your ad spend right away, and it gets your prospect both psychologically and financially committed before they even attend your webinar. This early engagement sets the stage for higher conversions later on. During your live webinar, your main focus shifts to pitching your core mid-ticket program. This is usually priced between $997 and $1,497. This is the moment where most people stop, but a truly effective funnel doesn't end here. By making your core offer the centerpiece, you're able to maximize conversions from your most engaged attendees. But remember, this is just one step in a much larger system designed to capture value from every segment of your audience. Those who buy your core program, the journey doesn't end there. You can direct these buyers toward a high-ticket consultation, often a $5,000+ offer framed as a personalized roadmap session. This step is crucial for activating your most serious clients and providing them with a premium experience. By including a high-ticket ascension path, you're no longer leaving your most committed buyers with nowhere to go. Instead, you're maximizing the lifetime value of every customer. What about the people who don't buy during your webinar? Instead of letting them slip away, a well-designed funnel includes a carefully sequenced follow-up. This could be a series of emails or messages that eventually lead them to a condensed, entry-level version of your program at a lower price point. By nurturing these leads, you're able to activate buyers who just weren't ready for your main offer, turning missed opportunities into new revenue streams. By implementing this multi-offer approach, you're no longer just monetizing the small percentage of people who buy on the day of your webinar. Instead, you're activating buyers at every level of readiness, budget, and commitment. This means more sales, higher profits, and a much more resilient business model. You're building a system that works for everyone in your audience, not just the few who are ready to buy immediately. As we wrap up, it's time to reflect. How much revenue have you already left on the table from webinars you've run in the past? Most course creators and coaches are surprised by the answer. By shifting to a multi-offer, multi-step funnel, you can unlock revenue streams you never knew existed. In upcoming videos, I'll break down each component of this system in detail, so you can start capturing every opportunity and stop leaving money behind. If you don't want to miss those videos, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.